Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades. Welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. All times are Eastern time. Here we go. Okay, Sunday evening at 10 o'clock, no trade room, but we'll keep an eye on Chinese GDP and retail sales, industrial production, and their unemployment. Our first trade room will be Monday morning at 7 a.m. for Goldman Sachs earnings, and then we'll be back at 11:30 in the morning for the Nopa Crush Family Money report. Tuesday we'll start at 5:30 in the morning, United Health earnings, a family money trade. Morgan Stanley at 7:30 in the morning on Tuesday. No trade room for that one, as Morgan has just not been moving consistently for us. But we'll be back in the room at 8 o'clock for core retail sales, a family money trade, in our YouTube stream of the week, our first one, and Canada core CPI, 8 o'clock on Tuesday. Then we'll be back at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, also a family money trade. No trade room for New Zealand's CPI. It's a quarterly report, 6:45 on Tuesday. 2 in the morning on Wednesday, British core CPI, PPI, RPI, no trade room. And also we'll be keeping an eye on the European final core CPI at 5 a.m. on Wednesday. Our first trade room on Wednesday will be 5:45 in the morning for ELV and Johnson & Johnson earnings. Back at 8 o'clock for building permits and housing starts. 10 a.m. for crude oil inventories. And then 12:30 p.m. for the 20-year bond auction and another YouTube stream. And then 9:15 p.m. on Wednesday evening for the Australia Employment Report. Thursday morning at 2 a.m. there's British average earnings claim and count. That's their jobs report. No trade room for that. Our first trade room on Thursday will be 7:45 in the morning for the ECB main refi rate. That's their rate statement. And the U.S. unemployment claims with Philly Fed. Back at 10 a.m. on Thursday for natural gas, another YouTube stream. And then the first big earnings of the quarter, 3:30 p.m. on Thursday for Netflix earnings. Friday morning, 6:30 for Halliburton and American Express, and 8 a.m. our final YouTube stream of the week and Canada's retail sales. Plenty of interesting reports, lots to do, and make sure that you are a member, and you can become a member with this link on the WMM. You can join for 3 months at a great deal. So we'd love to see you, and see you in the trade room. Leigh Goldstein signing out for 10-Minute Trades.